Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, listen, we got a lot to get into. I'm just going to say thank you again. I'm going to continue to say thank you for all of those that came out to the Music and Money. We may change the name to, Finances and Faith, something like that next year. But let's get right into it. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I will help you to earn money. It's simple as that. I do all the homework, and then so you can pass the test. Listen, the market, let's go right into it. And then the reason I'm making this video is bigger than what's going on in the market today. Now, you guys know that QQQ is the NASDAQ. Well, the NASDAQ is the NASDAQ 100, but QQQ tracks with the NASDAQ. Let me show you guys, all right, for those of you that don't know. So if I add QQQ here, you're going to see it's in lockstep with the NASDAQ. You see that? It doesn't matter where you go. You can go out the month. See how they're lockstep together, the yellow and the green? So you could see that today it was up. You could see the NASDAQ, right, and QQQ in lockstep. But you could see that they were both up. So tell me, how did I make money by doing a put? For those of you that don't know, if you think a stock is going to fall, you put it down. If you think it's going to go up, you call it up. All right. So for those of you, that's an easy way to remember for options. But how did I make 20% on the Qs, which is the NASDAQ, by doing a put? Well, I made that because I was sticking to my disciplines. Why? Last week I didn't, and it cost me money. All we do is win, win, win. Nobody sings that song with stocks or options or crypto. If they say they are lying to you. I want you guys to know the truth. Now, what I did was I just traded the candles. And when the candles were showing me a reversal, I tapped out. And as you could see, I started to get in heavy, but I didn't. I stuck to my disciplines, and I'm proud of myself, not because I win, because I stuck to my disciplines. Let's get right into it. That's what I want to talk to you guys about. Managing your emotions is the most difficult part of trading. It is. You could learn anything you want to learn, but simply managing your disciplines, all right? Taking your emotions out is the hardest part of investing. For instance, the worst thing that could happen for you is you buy a stock and it goes up 100%. For those of you that's doing options and it's your first option, the worst thing that could happen for you is you get into your first option and it literally goes up 300% because you're going to do two things. Number one, you're going to think you're a genius, right? And number two, you're going to overtrade the next time. And both of those will catch you. You're going to turn around and lose your money. Whenever I do a huge trade, you guys that's been with me for a while, you saw me trade live here and make $4,200 right in front of you guys in minutes. But what did I do? I tapped out. Remember when that stock ran up about last year? It ran up. I forgot what the stock was. I shorted it because there was no reason for it to run up. Why? Because I stuck to my disciplines. I am challenging every one of you guys. Whenever you have a loss, write it down. Whenever you have a win, write it down. Now, I will tell you, for those of you that's doing options, if you're not good, if you're used to making $1,000 a day and you're not good with making $100 a day, hey, there's weeks where last week I made about 8,000 just doing options. But if I only make 800 this week doing options, then I should be happy also. So what I'm saying to you, according to your finances, just be happy for the small wins. But I will tell you what I have made a mistake and given so much money back. When it was time for me to get out, I'll get into a play. Let's say we're trading the SPY. I get into that trade. For those of you that don't know, we are looking for the S&P 500 to go up, and you can do a call on that, and you can make 10 times the money that you would make just buying QQQ. Follow? And you can make it in a short period of time. But what happens is we get greedy, and when we win, we think we're a genius. And I will tell you that will get you wrecked. Now, overtrading and position sizes are two of the biggest things. If you've been caught doing that and or overstaying your positions, leave me a coffee cup in the chat. Just leave me a coffee cup in the chat, because this is going to help you make and save more money than just the hot plays or anything we just discussed. I'm telling you, after this event, I talked to some of you guys out at the meet and greet, and that was the number one problem. I asked the audience who have overstayed their welcome. There was a bunch of hands up. And the truth be told, I had my hand up too. Meaning, if you're in a play, if you're in a swing trade, let's say you bought even something like NVIDIA in your swing trade position, not in your long-term dollar cost average, and it hit your target, and you said, I'm going to sell at this price, and you don't, you're not disciplined, right? And for crypto, I said to you guys a while back, I'm going to be in the fastest moving car. I said to you guys months before, I said, by the end of September, I will be done. Leave me a coffee cup if you remember me saying that, okay? I said that 3-4 months ahead. I was telling you guys how August, there's usually a sell-off from August and it goes down. So last August, I was telling you guys, it's still time to dollar cost average into crypto, whether it be meme coins, Bitcoin, or altcoins. And I told you guys that I would be fully in my positions. And now I'm expecting it to go up because I did my due diligence and I saw what normally happens. Now, could there still be a flash crash? Absolutely. Could there be a pullback in crypto? Absolutely. I don't care. I'm sticking to my disciplines because I believe that the bull market is next year. Follow? And so you will make more money sticking to your disciplines than you will want. That didn't make any sense whatsoever. I'm not editing that out because that's how we get down here at Stock Up You. You're going to lose money if you don't stick to your disciplines. That's what I want to talk to you about. So if you're going to pull back, stop trading, especially for those of you that's blowing up your options account, and you're going to say, let me stick to my disciplines. If you get up in the morning and you trade the SPY and you say, if I win, then I'm going to get out and I'm not going to get back in. But then you get back in, you are doing yourself a disjustice. Here's one of my principles. Whenever I win big with options, I don't trade the next day because I have to protect my money from me. So the next day, if I have a $2,400 win, there's been times when it's 10 minutes in 15 minutes into the market. I like to at least 15 minutes. And you guys know I like playing the cues where I'll come out and I'm $1,500 up, right? Then I'm not trading. And there's times when, there's $5,000 wins. So what I don't do is I don't get back in. I used to and give it all back. But what happens is the following day, you're going to try to double that amount. You said, hey, I made 5,000 yesterday, so today I'm going to make 10,000. No, what you're going to do is give back the extra 5,000, and you're going to you're going to lose 5,000. You're going to give back the 5,000 that you made the prior day because you don't have discipline. And the same thing for those of you with long-term investments. Some of you guys sold all of your NVIDIA positions when it had the drawback because it was no discipline. I wanted to. I plead the fifth. I wanted to. It was hard watching. I had all those big gains. It was coming down. But if you believe in a company, you believe in it long term, Even though we know the market is going to come down, could come down even now before the election and go back up, stick to your disciplines. So get a book, any book, write it down, and then one day we'll have a party here and share our disciplines with each other, right? So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's 15 minutes, but I don't care. We had to take our time and talk about this. Hey, guys, let me tell you guys about this. It is here. It is here. My $1 million cup of coffee, it is here. And in this video, this will be the top link. All right. So far, all we have is the variety boxes, right? So it has all 6 flavors in it. All right. Guys, this is some great tasting coffee according to what you guys are telling me. Okay. Look and read some of the names that is on this coffee. We got Bear Blend. We got Bull Blend. We got Morning Bell. All right. We got Jamaica Me Money. Then we have Evelyn Blend. Good morning, Evelyn. Okay. So this is the variety pack. And you guys, those of you that's been following me, we've been talking about this for years. I finally, after years, got it launched. Now, I have a charity that I'm going to be partnering with. We've already talked, and we're going to give a portion of the proceeds. You guys know how I do it. We have to give back. I challenge you to give back, okay? So now I'm going to end with the Moo promo because we want you guys to know all about the 8.1 for those of you that don't have it. It's going to be the second link below. And we're going to talk about the 0 commission fees, 0 commissions, 6.8 margin rates, and then 0 equity options contract fees. Okay. So we're going to talk about all of that at the end. And I'm going to sign off now, but please listen to this Moo promo. Okay. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure you check out those links below. Moo offers low trading fees. You can trade U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options with 0 commissions, no minimum deposit required, no account maintenance fees, also 0 platform fees and 0 contract fees for equity options and ETF options. Other fees may apply. For more information, visit moomoo.com/US pricing. You also get access to many pro tools as well, such as option price calculator, real-time options chain, options unusual activity, etc. If you trade options, don't miss out.